Hello gardening folks, today I am going to be showing you how to propagate Catalpa Nana from cuttings. So I will be showing you two effective methods that I have already tried successfully in the past. So the first method is using aloe vera and the second one is using garden safe take root rooting hormone. Let's get started. I have already prepared well draining soil mix and freshly taken cuttings. The first method is using aloe vera as a natural rooting gel which contains compounds that can help protect and stimulate root growth. Alright, now let's extract and apply aloe vera gel from a leaf to the cutting. Next, make a hole, place the cutting and water down. Now it's time for method 2, which is by using synthetic rooting hormone. Let's dip the Catalpa Nana cutting into the rooting hormone, make a hole and place into soil. Remember, always keep the soil consistently moist during the rooting process. Place the pots in a warm, well-lit area, but avoid direct sunlight until roots are established. And there you have it, two proven methods for growing Catalpa Nana from cuttings, whether you choose the natural power of the aloe vera or the synthetic rooting hormone. These techniques can give your garden a beautiful tree of Catalpa Nana. If your first attempt isn't successful, don't be discouraged. Gardening is about experimentation and learning. It's a process. Try different methods, learn, and don't hesitate to give it another go. Happy gardening folks, and if you want to stay updated on the progress, make sure to subscribe.